Hello friends, myself Dr. MANAUTI PATIL, and now we are going to see the second chapter from physical chemistry, that is chemical equilibrium, and from that the important question is delta G, derive delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. For to derive this, we have to consider for the gaseous reactions A in gaseous state is in equilibrium with B in gaseous state. Here A and B are, A is the reactant and B is the product. Both should be in the gaseous state, and here A and B are perfect ideal gases. From equation 2.15 we can write that delta G is equal to GB minus GA. Here GB and GA are gives free energies of gases in the mixture. For GA we can write that G naught A plus RT ln PA, and for GB we can write that G naught B plus RT ln PB, where G naught A and G naught B are the standard molar free energies of pure gases A and B respectively. So putting above GA and GB values in equation 2.20, we can write that delta G is equal to G naught B plus RT ln PB in one bracket minus G naught A plus RT ln PA in the another bracket. Here PA and PB are the partial pressure of A and B in reaction mixture. So we can write that for delta G is equal to G naught B minus G naught A in one bracket plus RT ln PB minus RT ln PA. So by mathematical rule, delta G naught B minus delta G naught A, we can write that delta G naught plus RT ln PB minus PA, for we can write that PB upon PA. So delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. Here Q is the reactant quotient, and that is Q is equal to PB upon PA. So we have derived the delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. Thank you.